Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic token. Now, Coinbase listing happening very soon. Remember, we have been talking about Coinbase listing Terra Classic, which we expect a massive increase in price, a massive increase in market cap. Because remember, Coinbase and Binance, these exchanges can push the crypto coins to really change in price, either go up or down. But I think Terra Classic getting that support from Coinbase is going to be a positive one for Terra Classic token. Now, Coinbase just bought almost 25% Terra Classic coins, and I believe by next year, 2023 January, they're going to announce it, and I believe this is going to help Terra Classic. Imagine Coinbase listening Terra Classic for as early as January or February 2023. We are going to expect an increase in price on Terra Classic token. I'm expecting Terra Classic to hit at least 10,000% in 2023. Coinbase listing Terra Classic will definitely create a better impact for Terra Classic coin. And Terra Classic, I believe, with the support of Coinbase, with the support of Binance, with the support of Kucoin, Crypto.com, and even BitForex, this coin is going to be at a high price in 2023. Now, Coinbase listing will definitely bring a better impact. Coinbase listing will definitely push Terra Classic token to hit an increase. All the true, I also saw where someone posted on Twitter that according to some crypto experts, he said he will be holding his Coinbase till the next 12 months without even selling out. And we are talking about coins worth of over $3 million. And I still believe, of course, if someone can hold about $3 million on Terra Classic token, that simply means they are very certain that Terra Classic is going somewhere. But I think this is a crypto industry where anything can happen, but I still believe that Terra Classic will definitely hit an increase in price in the next coming year. Not just Terra Classic, even other crypto coins. And if Coinbase can list Terra Classic in the coming year, we are going to see Terra Classic hitting an increase in price, hitting over 10,000%. Of course, deleting 20 is possible in 2023, which will end up making it holders some good amount of money. Imagine investing $100 and you're earning about $10,000. That is a very huge return on investment. Of course, we are all hoping for a high ROI, return on investment, and I believe Terra Classic can offer us that.